Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a quick reminder that this content is for educational purposes only and is not a financial advice. Now let's get started. Welcome everyone. This is a trading session governed by discipline and clarity. We are about to run through our daily protocol to dominate the market. First, we'll scan the global market for any major news or economic event that could impact our trading today. Remember, understanding the big picture is crucial. Next, we'll finalize our strategic blueprint right here on the chart. We'll be marking our key support and resistance zones. These are the critical levels that will guide our decisions. And finally, we'll talk about the discipline required for execution, remembering that patience is a premium. We'll be only looking for a high probability setup that meet our plan. Alright, let's jump into the protocol. We are going to start with a quick global market scan. Alright guys, in a term of news and econs for today, we have the unemployment claim that the number is pretty much the same and is forecasted to be rise, and the impact of it, rising number of unemployment claimer, is directly related to gold prices to rise, and not necessarily main reason to rise gold, but we could expect a rise in gold price. Anyway, on term of the gold daily bias, we have a daily bias for today. Let's say the first day, the second day, and the third day. We always see if we have a close above the line, above the shadow, and we have an engulfing candle above this candle. And for today, we don't have. So for daily bias today, we expecting a range daily bias. However, for the weekly, we had a bullish bias on a weekly chart. And yet again, with all these wars and conflict that's going on, it is possible that we could potentially see uh, even above this candle previous day close, or expect a range. With unemployment claim, that number could be moving a good chunk of this chart for today. All right, let's jump into the 4 hours to see if we see any error. If we see a close round here and we see an engulf and break off this low over here, we could see potentially price decline quickly to the area, to the low of this daily bias on the previous day. And yeah, so over here we have a few base and order block that could potentially work towards downside, and to see if in a lower time frame what we could see potentially is that, yeah, definitely chart has broken this low with a shadow yet, and could potentially close really hard above or below this line. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next